Yeah, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
We are from Obi Real Estate, and you?
I'm Onyechi,
Okay. Please, what's the name of your office?
Royal Luxury Bedrooms.
Okay. Please, can we have a tour in your office?
Oh, yes.
Okay. Thank you. Let's start from here.
Okay.
So, what's this?
This is dining business,
Okay.
standalone.
How much is it?
110.
110.
110,000.
100 and wow. What about this? What's this? Foot match now.
Yes.
How much is it?
Three pieces inside, but it's 12,000 naira.
12,000
And
naira.
this is 5,000 naira.
This one, co-
The
the
same
same thing.
thing,
This one
yeah.
is also using Bluetooth.
Bluetooth, light, anything.
Wow, 150K.
No, that one is 100.
Okay, that one is 100K.
Yes.
What about this?
Install is 200.
200K.
Yes.
Jesus Christ. Wow. I don't want to touch anything so that I will not spoil it. What's this?
Install seat. It's
Okay.
come
It
with
comes
the
with this
wash,
one,
yes,
but
the wash
okay.
and basin.
This one is how much? 200
280,000. 280 for the two.
What about this?
This kitchen sink,
Okay, this for kitchen. How much is this one?
130. It come with the tap.
Okay,
There is
130.
tap here, there is tap here. You can draw it.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay.
Glass washer.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. 150K.
130.
Okay. Wow. What about this? Same price?
No,
This
not the
one.
same price. This 75,000 naira. Not with the tap. But the tap is 35,000.
But this one is for toilet, ba? Abi,
No,
okay, also
kitchen
for
sink,
kitchen.
yes.
Okay, okay. What's this?
This water heater,
Okay, water
heat
heater.
and pass,
But
Aristo.
but this is the smaller one, ba?
Yes.
How much is that one?
This one is 35,000.
Wow, 35,000.
Yes.
Wow. This plate set number.
Yeah.
How much is it?
This 12,000, 15,000 for the what?
Okay. Can I enter here?
Ah, yes.
Okay. Oh, wow. Don't want to spoil anything, no. So how much? What's this?
It's wash and basin,
Okay, for
but
kitchen
yes, for
or for
kitchen.
toilet also.
Yes,
Okay, how much is it?
those ones. But the plain one,
Okay, like this one.
no, like the white one,
Okay, the white
plain
one.
white.
Yeah.
35,000. But
Okay.
ordinary ones, colors,
Okay.
they are 50,000.
50,000. Why is the plain one much? Why is this one expensive more than the other one?
No, black, gold, like black, gold, and this,
This one. This one.
yes, that one. They are much expensive than the other one.
Okay. Uh-uh. Is it because it's rare in the market? Wow. What's this?
This cabinet for toilet, and they
For
also use
toilet.
it. Yes, they also use it for dining.
Can I touch it?
Yes, you can open it.
Wow. 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 Somebody say I can never be broke. I can never be broke. Oh Jesus. Jesus. Hey. So how much is this one?
This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 100,000.
Okay,
Why this
100,000.
is 120?
120. Okay, because this one is bigger
It's
than
bigger
this
than
one.
yes.
Okay. Okay.
Look at the small one.
Okay. Oh wow.
5,000
35K.
different. 95, 5,000 different.
But this one doesn't have drawer.
It has.
Okay. But this one is more beautiful than this one. So how much is
Your
this one?
choice.
Eh? How
This
much is it?
this one is 300,000.
300,000.
But the golden color,
How much is this one?
600.
100K.
600,000.
600,000.
With the
So how much is this?
half.
Yeah.
Half
Okay, 25,000. What about this one? This one, co-
portion. 75.
75. Jesus. What about
This
this?
jacuzzi.
Jacuzzi.
Yes.
Oh God. How much is it?
200,000.
300,000. I can never be broke. And it's very affordable. What about this? The same price, ba? Okay, it's not the same price. Okay, this one is 350. This one is 300. Uh-uh. This one is for women now. This one is for men.
This one is for men.
I'll be using for everybody.
Yes.
Okay. So what's this? Is it heater?
Yeah, no. Nice.
Away. But Jesus. It's very so how much is it?
120.
120.
120,000.
Abara Jesus. Abara Jesus. So how much is this one?
The mirror. It has
Yeah.
Bluetooth also.
Yeah, I can see it. Even this one, ba? But this one doesn't have Bluetooth. This one is just ordinary
Yes,
mirror.
25,000.
25,000.
60,000 naira.
60. Guys, can you imagine Miro? Like Miro has Bluetooth. You can play music. I can never be broke. You said this one is 60,000. Wow. It's very beautiful.
Thank you, Obi Real Estate.
Yeah. You're welcome.
Thank you for a wonderful time. I hope to see you again.
Yes, so thank you. Hi guys, it's your girl Cindy from OB Real Estate.